In this video, we will compare two methods in finding the derivatives of two functions if we multiply them. So we normally use the product rule, but what if we multiply them and just find the derivative of each term? Which one is a lot easier? Okay, so let's compare that. I have three examples here for you. So for this one, we have a monomial and a binomial. Using the product rule, we use this formula. So find the derivative of the first term, or the f term, which is 3x, that's 3. And we copy the second function, it's negative 2x to the fourth power plus 4x. And then plus f, which is just 3x, and then the derivative of g, which is negative 8x to the third power plus 4. Okay? And then let's simplify this. Distribute that 3. This will be negative 6x to the fourth power plus 12x. And then plus, multiply this, negative 24x to the fourth power, and multiply this. That will be plus 12x. And of course, we need to combine the similar terms. This will be negative 30x to the fourth power plus 24x. Okay, so this is our answer. Obviously, we'll be getting the same answer, but which one do you think is a lot easier? So here what we will do is we will multiply the two functions and then apply the the differentiation rules. So multiply that. That'd be negative 6x to the fifth power. Multiply this plus 12x squared. And then if you want to find the derivative of that, 5 times negative 6 is negative 30x to the fourth power. This will be plus 24x. So you see, we have the same answer, but which one do you think is easier? Let's try another example. Okay, so here we have two binomials. Let's apply the product rule. So derivative of 2x minus 5 is 2. And then our g is x squared plus 3x. Plus f is 2x minus 5. Derivative of x squared plus 3x is 2x plus 3. And then let's distribute the 2 to x squared plus 3x. So 2x squared plus 6x. And plus, here we will use the FOIL method, obviously. So 2x and 2x is 4x squared. 2x and 3 is positive 6x. Negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. And negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. And then let's combine the similar terms. 2x squared and 4x squared, they're the same. So that's 6x squared. And then we have a 6x and a 6x and a negative 10x. So that would be plus 2x, right? 6 and 6 is 12, minus 10 is equal to 2. Minus 15. Okay, so let's multiply the two first. So in this method, we will simply multiply the polynomials. So let's use the FOIL method, obviously. X squared times 2x is 2x to the third power. 2x and 3x is positive 6x squared. And then minus negative 2 times x squared is negative 5x squared. Then negative 5 and 3x is negative 15x. Okay, so 2x to the third power plus x squared. 6 minus 5 is 1x squared minus 15x. And then find the derivative of that. That'll be 6x squared plus 2x minus 15. As you can see again, they are the same. So which one do you think is a lot easier to use? Now let's try the third example now. Okay, so here we have a trinomial and a binomial. Okay, for the derivative of the f function, we have 2x plus 4 And then for g, we have 3x minus 1 plus we have x squared plus 4x minus 5 times 3. So here we will use the FOIL method again. 6x squared, 2x and negative 1 is negative 2x. 4 and 3x is 12x. 4 and negative 1 is negative 4. Plus, so each of these three terms we'll multiply them by 3. So that's 3x squared plus 12x minus 15. And then combine the like terms. We have 6x squared and 3x squared. That's 9x squared. We have positive 12, and negative 2. That's positive 22x. And then we have a negative 4 and negative 15. That's negative 19. Alright. Now let's multiply the terms. Okay, so I'm comfortable putting the binomial in front. So I'll put that first. Anyway, this is multiplication, so it doesn't really matter. 4x minus 5. Okay, so let's multiply everything by 3x first. So that would be 3x to the third power plus 12x squared minus 15x. Again, I just multiplied everything by 3x. And then I will multiply everything by negative 1, or simply change the sign of each term. So minus x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay, again, we're not still deriving this one. What we're doing is we're multiplying the two polynomials. So 3x cubed, right? We have a 12x squared and a negative x squared, so that's positive 11x squared. We have a negative 15x and a negative 4x, which is negative 19x. Excuse me. And a positive 5. Okay, let's find the derivative of this. This will be 9x squared plus 22x minus 19. And you can see, again, they are the same. So it's really up to you which one you want to use, which one is your preference. So that's how you solve this kind of problem using product rule and our alternative solution, which is multiplying the two polynomial first, and then after we get the product, we simply apply the differentiation rule for each term.